So today I'm hiking Gordon Creek Falls in Payson, Arizona. It's a 4.5-mile hike out and back. It's a little overcast today, so I don't know if I'm going to hit some rain. This first section of the road is just trail. It's just a road, like a 2-track road. It's a little rocky and rough, but yeah, that's the first part of the trail anyway. It's just been a lot of just walking down a Forest Service road. But there is hopefully going to be a waterfall at the end. I don't know if there's going to be any water there or not. It's been dry. It is the middle of the summer, so you never know. But they have been getting some rain up here recently, so there might be some water to check out, maybe even swim at. That would be really great because it is a little warm. It's high 80s right now. But anyways, I'm really excited to see where this trail leads. So we've done just about 1.5 miles. It's still road. It hasn't really turned into a trail yet. We're still waiting for that to happen. It is sprinkling a little bit, but nothing too crazy. We saw some cows. That was pretty cool. Didn't get close enough to get any good footage of them, but we did see probably about a dozen cows. So that was pretty cool. It's really beautiful out here. I wish you guys could smell this forest. Just the pine trees are just incredible. Absolutely love it up here. This is really cool. So we were just walking down the trail. It is turning more into a trail now and less of a road, if you could even call it a road to begin with. But we just came into this really cool forested area where the trees are just super densely packed in. It's really cool. The whole mood just changed of the scenery. So yeah, it was pretty cool. did find some water, so that's pretty awesome. I'm really stoked about that. We've done about 2 miles so far. It's going really good. It's getting a lot more interesting now. So we probably have about another half mile to go to the end, to the turnaround point. Pretty good rock scrambling for a while there. I do have to say this trail is incredibly difficult to follow. It keeps disappearing. It kind of follows the creek, it'll disappear, so we cross the creek, go to the other side and follow a trail for a while, and it's just like back and forth over the creek a bunch of times. So it's really hard to follow, but I guess if we just stay along the creek we should end up there. We're about probably a quarter of a mile away from where the waterfall would be. There's not a ton of water, so I don't know if we're going to see a waterfall today. I'm really not too sure, but I hope so. But it's going good. We haven't actually even taken any breaks yet. We've done about 2.25 miles, and it's just going really good, so I'm having a blast. And there isn't a ton of water, so I'm not too confident that we're going to see a waterfall today. I'm excited to find out one way or another. This trail is just, we're bushwhacking and climbing over rocks, and this is definitely not an easy hike. I can see why they rate this moderate, but it's absolutely gorgeous in here. So we ran out of trail. We did find what I think is supposed to be the waterfall. It's really just a trickling stream. It's not too impressive, but it is still beautiful here. And we tried to get down to see it from the bottom and to see if we can keep going, because on the map it actually looks like we're not there yet. But this has got to be it, because there's no way to get down and around to down there. So I don't know. We're gonna keep looking for a way to get down there, but I don't think we're gonna find one. All right, we might have found a way. It doesn't look too good from here, but I think we can go up this hill right here and just go around and down, possibly. So possibly we can go that way, so we're gonna check it out and see if we can get to the bottom of this waterfall, or maybe keep going and see if there's another bigger one. We made it to the bottom, so we're gonna see if this trail keeps going. It was pretty rough getting down here. We actually just came through that. And it's all thorns and briars, and super slippery up there. It's turning into quite an adventure. So we're gonna keep seeing if we can find another waterfall. And you can't really see too well the one that we were at, but I'll try to show you guys. This is where the waterfall is, so unfortunately I don't have any climactic, beautiful, dramatic scene of flowing, beautiful water, but it was definitely an awesome hike. I'm glad we came out here. It's going to be a little tricky getting back up the hill. We came down through the briars and everything, so I'm going to go ahead and put the camera away and wrap this video up here and say thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.